an air conditioner cool? The most important part of an air conditioner is the compressor. The compressor is pre-charged with refrigerant. When the compressor is working, the temperature can reach 80 degrees. The compressor produces a high temperature, high pressure gas, which turns into liquid through the condenser tube. The condenser tube is made of copper and has a very strong heat exchange capacity. When the refrigerated material passes through the condenser tube, it will become cold quickly. The temperature drops to about 50 degrees, but the temperature of the liquid passing through the condenser tube is still too high. So the genius engineers thought of adding an expansion valve between the air conditioner's internal and external units. This expansion valve can control the temperature of the air conditioner by regulating the density and speed of the gas in and out. When the high temperature and high pressure gas passes through the expansion valve, it will be diluted into a low-density cooling liquid. The coolant will flow through the ducts of the inner unit to absorb the heat in the room. The fan in the inner unit blows the cool air out of the ducts, eventually lowering the temperature in the room. At the same time, the liquid that absorbed the high temperature will flow through the compressor and become high-pressure liquid again.